Welcome to our in-depth exploration of how Stoic philosophy can empower you to eliminate common habits, weaken your resolve, and hinder your personal growth. In this video, we'll delve deeply into each habit, providing practical insights and actionable strategies rooted in Stoic wisdom. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by procrastination, consumed by complaining, or constantly seeking validation from others? Worries about the future and comparisons to others steal your joy? If so, you're not alone. Fear not, for Stoicism offers timeless principles that can help you break free from these destructive patterns and cultivate inner strength and resilience. If this is first ever you are watching my video, please hit the subscribe button for more content. Here's 5 habits that we must eliminate from our life. 1. Procrastination. Let's start with procrastination, a habit that plagues many of us. Instead of taking immediate action on important tasks, we often succumb to the allure of procrastination, delaying our progress and adding unnecessary stress to our lives. Stoicism offers a powerful antidote to procrastination, the concept of carpe diem, or seize the day. Stoics emphasize the importance of living in the present moment and making the most of our time. By embracing the Stoic virtues of courage and wisdom, we can overcome our tendency to procrastinate and take decisive action towards our goals. Whether it's breaking tasks into manageable chunks or setting deadlines for ourselves, Stoicism teaches us to prioritize action over indecision. 2. Complaining. Next, let's address the habit of constant complaining. In today's world, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of complaining about our circumstances, whether it's the weather, traffic, or the behavior of others. As Stoics teach us, complaining only serves to reinforce a victim mentality and rob us of our power to effect change. Stoicism encourages us to accept life as it comes, focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. By practicing gratitude and reframing negative situations, we can cultivate a more positive outlook and reclaim control over our lives. Instead of complaining about what we lack, Stoicism invites us to appreciate what we have and approach challenges with resilience and grace. 3. Seeking validation. Seeking validation from others is another habit that can weaken our sense of self-worth and autonomy. Whether it's through social media likes, approval from peers, or validation from authority figures, desire for external validation can lead you down a path of insecurity and self-doubt. But Stoicism offers a powerful alternative: pursuit of self-mastery and inner fulfillment. Stoicism teaches you to find validation from within and cultivating a deep sense of self-assurance that is not dependent on the opinions of others. Focusing on our own values and goals, we can free ourselves from the need for external validation and live authentically. Whether it's through practicing self-reflection, setting personal boundaries, or pursuing meaningful pursuits, Stoicism empowers us to chart our own course and define success on our own terms. 4. Excessive worrying. Excessive worrying about the future is another habit that can drain our energy and rob us of our peace of mind. Whether it's fretting about upcoming deadlines, financial insecurity, or health concerns, constant worry can take a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. But Stoicism offers a powerful antidote: practice of mindfulness and acceptance. Stoics teach us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. Practicing mindfulness and embracing the present moment, we can free ourselves from the grip of anxiety and cultivate a greater sense of calm and equanimity. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling, Stoicism provides us with practical tools to quiet the noise of worry and find peace within ourselves. 5. Comparing oneself to others. Finally, let's explore the habit of comparing ourselves to others, tendency that can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. In today's hyper-connected world, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of comparing our lives, accomplishments, and possessions to those of others. As Stoics teach us, comparison is the thief of joy. Stoicism encourages us to embrace our uniqueness and focus on our own journey of personal growth and self-discovery. Instead of measuring our worth against external benchmarks or the achievements of others, Stoicism invites us to celebrate our individual strengths and pursue our own path with courage and conviction. Practicing self-compassion, gratitude, and humility, we can free ourselves from the tyranny of comparison and cultivate a greater sense of contentment and fulfillment in our lives. Stoicism offers us a powerful framework for identifying and eliminating habits that weaken us and hinder our personal growth. By embracing Stoic principles such as living in the present moment, accepting life's challenges with grace, finding validation from within, practicing mindfulness, and celebrating our individuality, we can cultivate inner strength, resilience, and a greater sense of peace and fulfillment in our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more empowered existence. May the wisdom of Stoicism guide you as you strive to become the best version of yourself. See you soon.